Are you able to understand English, but you are not able to speak fluently? Or you are able to read a book, but you are not able to understand it? If your answer is yes, then you stay in this video with me till the end. Hi friends, this is Mohiuddin Sheikh and I welcome you to International Speakers Academy. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use the phrase turn out to be. What does it mean and how to use in a sentence. If you have not subscribed our channel till now, I request you to subscribe it and hit the bell icon so that you get the notification regularly. And if you get some value from this video, do like this video as well. And if you really want to become an elite English communicator or an effective English speaker, you can join our English Communication Master Training Program. In order to join that program, you can message us or WhatsApp us on the number given below. So let's get started. So friends, we will be learning how to use turn out to be in a sentence. Turn out to be is a phrase. Now first understand, what does it mean? Turn out to be means to be proved. In Hindi, it is called sabit hona. In English, to be proved. और in Hindi, sabit hona. या फिर निकलना. Sometimes you say in Hindi, यार मैंने तो उसे एक भिखारी समझा, लेकिन वो एक पढ़ा लिखा आदमी निकला. या फिर मैं तो उसे डॉक्टर समझता था, डॉक्टर मानता था, लेकिन वो एक मजदूर निकला. मैं उसे बहुत ईमानदार समझता था, लेकिन वो एक बेईमान साबित हुआ. So whenever you want to say निकला या साबित हुआ, for that you can use turn out to be. Write down the meaning of turn out to be. निकलना या साबित होना. Now we will be reading out the sentences given in the example and try to understand how it has been used, so that you get the practice, and you have to read with me or after me so that you get practice to use it, because practice is very important in order to become an elite communicator or a speaker. Number one, I was considering him a common person, but he turned out to be a doctor. या मैं उसे समझ रहा था a common person, एक आम आदमी, but he turned out to be a doctor, लेकिन वो एक डॉक्टर निकला, वो एक डॉक्टर साबित हुआ. You consider him idle, but he will turn out to be genius. You consider him idle. Idle मतलब बेकार, नाकारा. तुम उसे बेकार समझते हो या मानते हो, या उसे नाकारा मानते हो या समझते हो, but he will turn out to be genius. लेकिन वो एक जीनियस निकलेगा या जीनियस साबित होगा. I was considering him a gentleman, but he turned out to be murderer. I was considering him a gentleman. मैं उसे एक जेंटलमैन समझता था, but लेकिन he turned out to be murderer. लेकिन वो एक कातिल निकला, लेकिन वो एक हत्यारा निकला. मर्डरर मतलब कातिल या हत्यारा. We considered him honest, but he turned out to be dishonest. We considered him honest. हमने उसे ईमानदार समझा या ईमानदार माना, लेकिन वो बेईमान निकला. Dishonest मतलब बेईमान. I considered him my friend, but he turned out to be my enemy. I considered him my friend. मैंने उसे अपना दोस्त समझा, but he turned out to be my enemy. लेकिन वो मेरा दुश्मन निकला. So friends, I believe and hope that you have understood how to use turn out to be in a sentence. Let me tell you one more thing. Turn out to be. So turn is the verb in this. So according to tense, turn will become turned, turned, turned. So according to tenses, you have learned already all the rules of tenses. So that's going to be very easy. So turn will change, right, according to tense. So I believe that you have understood how to use turn out to be. Thank you very much for watching this video. Now I would like you to do two things. Write down in the comment box what did you learn from this video and what more you would like to learn. If you have got some value from this video, then share this video with your friends and like this video as well. I catch you in next video. Take care. Bye bye.